Are you feeding yourself already? Are you? Yeah? You're feeding yourself already? You're a little bit young to be feeding yourself dinner. Can I have that fork back? Can I have the fork or spoon? Let me see. Let me see. Can I have this one? Can I have it? Thank you.
That's a fork.
It's a spoon. I'm sorry. You're right. You want to try? You want to try? Oops. You're not supposed to throw it, silly man. Is that the wrong hand? There you go. Ooh, you're good at that. You are. Spoon. Can you say spoon? Spoon. Spoon. It's empty. Where's all the food? You ate it all. You ate all the carrots. Didn't he?
Uh-huh.
He ate all his carrots. He was a good boy.
You're a good boy.